Hi guys, and welcome back to another episode of Cindy's Kitchen. I'm Cindy.
Hey.
Behind the camera is Mike. Say hi. Teddy, come here, boy. Ginger. And here's Teddy. Come here, buddy. I gotta give him a haircut in a bath and all that stuff. And Ginger is over there on the couch. You wanna show her, Michael, real quick?
Oh yeah.
So as Michael going shows Ginger, I gotta tell you that I was about to make this video like 5 minutes ago. But I had this big rush in my body, this hot flash. You can ask Michael. Michael, how was?
Oh, she was hot. She was hot.
I mean, like real hot.
Like steamy.
So anyways,
You can see the steam.
These are Snickerdoodle cookies. Okay?
All right.
The reason why they called Snickerdoodle, these are sugar cookies. The only thing is because they have cinnamon inside.
That's right.
Cinnamon sugar, extra cinnamon and sugar in the cookies. And these are Snickerdoodles, $1.68, just like the other cookies the other day. And I'm going to show you how to do it, real easy. It doesn't take a genius. It says here that you need 1 egg and a stick of butter, right?
That's right.
To put the oven on 375 for 13 minutes. We haven't put the time yet because we got to make all this. So we're going to put the contents. This is the flour.
Content time.
Already. And then it says 1 stick of butter.
Check.
So this is the butter. So it says, you know, you gotta like melt it, because if you put it not melted, it's not gonna like, you know, make the dough softer and
That's
one
right.
egg.
You don't want it doughy.
And then we're gonna take our, I keep on forgetting the name of this, Michael, my whisker.
Oh yes. Egg whisker.
Yeah, my whisker,
Egg
and then,
beater.
exactly.
Yeah.
That's what Michael says. Michael says a beater, a mixer.
What's the difference?
Huh? Yeah, it's all more or less the same. It just that it gets like, it gets very hard.
So what are Snickerdoodle
You know
exactly?
Do you think we had to put like 1.5? Does that say 1 cup, 1 stick
One
of butter?
egg and 1 stick of butter.
Okay, 1 stick, but what does it say half? Like 1 stick and half?
No, it says half a cup.
Oh, half
a cup is 1
equals
stick
one
of butter.
stick.
If you guys didn't know.
I didn't know what it was. No, I know what it
Yeah.
is. And this is the cinnamon, guys.
That's right.
With the extra sugar.
Oh, so that's what Snickerdoodle
that,
is. It's cinnamon.
It just sugar cookies.
Is that good, Ginger?
Can you smell that?
That's right.
They're very hard. I'm
Wish
trying
we had
to,
smell-o-vision. That's how they're supposed to be.
I know.
Mix it up, mix it up. You want to take over?
No. You don't have to take over because we're almost done.
All right.
Because as soon as this is, you see,
Put some love in it.
it's already mixed.
That's right.
So I need to, you know.
If you don't
take
already
all
know,
all my
she's a
cookie
master
out here.
baker, everybody.
You know, I don't want to leave anything in here.
That's right. No waste, no
I mean,
waste.
this is my $1.68 and my viewers.
That's right.
And then we're gonna make little bashes with the spoon. This is too big. I think I want to make them smaller.
All right.
Like this big.
Well, can you show the difference in size?
Well, this is like a serving spoon. So when you're sitting on a table, you serve from there. And this is like a smaller. This is like for coffee, you know.
Cereal.
Stir coffee, yeah, or cereal.
A yogurt.
This is what I use when I'm gonna eat something with a spoon.
A yogurt.
I don't like those big ones. So they're gonna be this size. You see?
Right.
So you go
Look
like
at
that.
Look at that. Put it on. Put
And
it
with,
on.
yeah, they're very sticky.
That's right. That's
And
how
with
they're
the
supposed
other
to be. It's
finger,
the cinnamon.
yeah, I know. That's
Well, it says if you
one.
make them like that, you can make like 24.
I don't think so. 24, no.
No? How many?
Probably last 2.
All right. Well, let's count everybody.
Okay, we're gonna put them in together, guys.
That's right.
3. All right, Mike.
That's right.
Get that. All right. Oops.
Look at it. Wow, it landed perfectly on the other one. Look at it. Look at it.
4. See how many we can make.
And yes, we do use a pizza tray for our cookies because we're cool like that.
What?
We use a pizza tray for our cookies because we're
oh
cool
yeah,
like
I
that.
mean, yeah, I can make them right there. You know,
That's right.
it'll be like I gotta buy me a cookie sheet.
I mean, who said you need a baking tray?
You know, I gotta get a cookie sheet when we go to our like our store that we have that the prices are not that thing. We'll pick one up, okay?
Okay.
Just remind me. We'll pick it. Tomorrow we're going over there.
That's right.
Yeah, tomorrow's Dollar Day, right?
Dollar a day, dollar a day.
I love my store. Love me a dollar.
So anyways, I just want to say thank you to everybody for, you know, watching our
Put in the other
videos. We
Yep.
just went
Oh,
over.
this is so nice. Look at that. They look like
8,000
little
views.
buttons when you drop them, right?
That's right.
So anyways, guys, like I was saying, you know, these are good. If you don't want to go out, you can buy yourself 2 or 3 boxes. And on the weekends, if the kids are like getting on your nerves, you can just make a batch of cookies, let them go outside and play. Or, you know, rent them some movies, you know.
Or give them a video game.
Yeah, winter's coming.
That's
so
right.
It's not going to be too much of the kids going outside.
It's going to be cold this
cold,
winter.
Exactly.
Winter is coming.
Cold kids walking around all cold, you know.
And shivering.
No, so you make your cookies, you make your soups. It's time for cookies and hot cocoa.
That's right.
Michael? And all that good stuff.
Time to celebrate.
I'm going to put one more here, Mike.
All right. So how many is that?
Think it'll be
1, 2, 3,
space
4,
there? Should I leave it
5,
like
6,
that?
7, 8.
It's okay, guys. So anyways, let me just like...
14 cookies so far.
14, we can make more.
All right.
So I'm going to put these in the middle.
All right.
And we're going to do those first.
All right.
And we're going to cook them for how many minutes, Michael?
It said 12 minutes, but...
we're going to do 15 because my
15.
oven, sometimes an oven cooks faster than other, more or less, you know, that when a cookie's almost ready to take out.
Well,
you'll see
on
the
your
edge.
preference. Some people like the cookies softer. Some people like the cookies a little bit more
but
crunchy.
a lot of times, well, yes, that's for like to be like that. Now, I like them a little bit that has not a lot of crunch,
I like
but
the
a little
crunch.
bit of crunch.
Like a soft crunch.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. So anyways, guys, thanks for watching. And I'm going to let you guys go. We're going to come back to take the cookies out. I'm putting a plate. I have Michael eat a couple so he tells us how good they are. And if you're at home, go get yourself a box of Snickerdoodle cookies. That is nothing more than sugar cookies with cinnamon at it. Okay, for $1.68, you can make yourself 20 cookies. I'm talking about
20.
For, you know those boxes they have at the supermarket, they only bring like 12 sometimes, or 8 of them.
And they're like $6.
They want $6, $7. You can buy your own stuff. You can save that money. You don't even know how much money you can save. If you save $3 here, 2 there, 50 cents here, at the end of the month, you save over $200-300. And that can be your vacation money. So with that, I'm going to let you guys go. Don't forget to subscribe. I love you all, and we'll be right back to take those Snickerdoodle cookies out. Thanks for watching. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I just want to take these out.
15 minutes exactly.
Just so you guys can see. And then I'm going to put the other ones in. And we're going to put the same time here. Okay, Michael, hold on.
Another 15.
Make at 350 and cook time.
It was on 350?
Yeah.
I thought it was on 375.
Oh. No, on 375, sorry.
Oh, okay.
Start and bake at 375. That's what it was, but it just said it went up. Okay, so we're gonna do the other ones, and then I have one more batch. So we're probably gonna end up with 20 cookies here, right, Mike?
That's right.
Look how pretty they look. Oh my God! You see? They're very, very hot, but it's gonna look something like that. So we'll be right back. Don't forget to subscribe. It says $1. You get $1. A minute. A minute and 15 seconds. Let me just roll this hair.
Rolling hair.
I think they're done, right, Mike?
That's right.
Yeah, they look done, so I don't want to overcook them. That minute and a half because I put another minute. Here they come, ready or not. Wow, they look so hot, right, Mike?
That's right.
Oh, be careful, Michael. Anyway, if you look at that plate, we've been putting them there. My husband already came down, and I just did that with this. My husband already came down and he took over 5 cookies. He said, oh, these are my cookies for now. I made a fresh pot of coffee. So now the boys and my husband are gonna eat cookies and Snickerdoodle cookies and coffee, delicious coffee. Yeah, that's right. So did you guys make your cookies or what's going on? These are still like a little bit, see? A little bit soft. But anyway, I'm gonna put them here because what I wanna do is just have you guys look at them. My husband already, like I said, he took 5 of them and he went up eating them, but this is what they're gonna look like. And I want to thank you guys for watching me, for tuning on me all the time and always looking for my videos and loving me. And I love you all guys back, and I'm very grateful for all my my people that follow me. And with that, I'm gonna let you guys go. Oh, that was the oven for that minute that we had left.
That's right.
I'm gonna let you guys go, and you guys know what to do. Don't drink and drive. Be nice to one another. Let's love one another. We need more love in the world and less fighting and less hate. Oh, so with that, I'm gonna let you guys go. Thanks for watching and enjoy your cookie of the day. Snickerdoodle cookie. Yabba dabba doo. And I'll see you tomorrow with another episode of Syndication. Love you all. Don't forget to subscribe. Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Google+, Patreon. Down the link below. For the dog food, life'sabundance.com/for all. For all your little critters that you have, dogs, cats. So with that, I love you all. Eat tons of cookies and coffee, guys. Good night.